quiet of the evening, when the restless world grows still, a fragile heart begins to whisper, seeking mercy, seeking will.
In the silence of your presence, where no human voice can stay, a trembling soul remembers love that never fades away.
I have walked through shadowed valleys, where my strength was not enough. Every road I chose alone led my wounded heart to dust.
Yet beyond the night of sorrow, through the burden of my sin, stood the cross upon the hill, calling wandering souls within.
There your silent arms were open, wide beneath the darkened sky. Love was crowned with thorns and sorrow, as the Lamb was lifted high. Every wound became a fountain, every tear a living grace, mercy flowing through the ages for a lost and broken race. Hidden with you in silence, where your endless mercies flow, at the shadow of the cross, every wounded heart may go. Hidden with you in silence, where your boundless love remains, in the shelter of your mercy, all our sorrow turns to grace.
I have carried secret burdens, heavy chains I could not break, pride that built a lonely kingdom, fear no strength of mine could shake. Yet your voice was soft as mercy, calling gently through the night. Come, return to me, my child, walk again
storms of life surround us, and the night is long with fear, still your faithful light is burning, still your gentle voice is near. Every tear becomes a prayer, every sigh a sacred plea, and the weary find their refuge in your endless charity.
For the cross stands like a beacon through the darkness of our years, calling hearts to holy healing, calling souls beyond their fears.
And